Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. On this kind of gloomy Tuesday morning, of course the wind's blowing, so hopefully y'all can hear me. It's probably the first time I've used this microphone in pretty windy conditions, so let me know down in the comments if it helps or hurt the sound quality with the wind. But also, if you get to watch it and like the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. That just lets me know that y'all are enjoying these videos. Plus, that's what kind of makes me keep going making these videos, is people liking and subscribing to the channel. So if y'all haven't done that already and you like what you see, just go ahead and do it. But we're gonna this morning, of course my dad and Gracie are hauling hay from over here to over there at the barn lot. I'm gonna take this 10-foot pasture drag or drag harrow, depending who you talk to, and this part here and all this front field over here. Just drag the cow piles around, just spread it out and make it look a little bit better. Since I'm on the 5210, it's, as y'all can see, it's called just an open cab tractor. Of course, it's got the canopy on it, but not a full cab. So, of course, I'm gonna be wearing my earmuffs for hearing protection. But also, I'm gonna try and explain what I'm doing as I'm working. So, just bear with me. So, if I get to yelling, I'm not yelling at you all. I'm just trying to make sure y'all understand what I'm talking about. around as much. All I'm trying to do is just get the cow piles spread out best I can. That way they'll, of course I hadn't done this part yet, but also I'll get some of that hay over there. But all just trying to do is get the cow piles to decompose. Of course that's just free fertilize, that natural fertilize. Then also that hay to help it decompose, because help it kind of, the hay that the cows haven't eaten, just help it just kind of speed up the rotting process and so on and so forth. But the only bad thing about a drag is sometimes of course hay or sticks or whatever get caught up in it, but it's not too bad really. Of course, there goes Gracie and Grumpy moving that hay, so I better get back to it for either them two fuss at me or this gentleman over here in this house fusses at me. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. It's about this wind, but it's just been awful today. If I just show y'all a little bit of what I've done here on this hillside, where we unroll some of the hay. Of course, even on that hillside over there, just tried to smooth it out a little bit and drag some of the hay around. That way it'll decompose a little bit better. Plus it'll we like to keep this hillside where we unroll the hay, try and keep it drug around as much as possible, because come springtime, whenever the grass and stuff starts growing back up, it just makes it easier when the hay and everything is just spread out. So of course got that done, got across the top of the hill, made a loop around, but then looked up and seen his potential gully washer, as we call it, is potentially on its way. So instead of being over there, if it comes a monsoon, I'd rather be here to where I can at least get in the dry, because that open station or open cab tractor in this wind, I'd be covered. I do appreciate y'all going along with us today on a not so exciting video, but being a small cattle farm, we just don't, I'll speak quite honest, we just don't always have the fun and exciting content going on that I know a lot of other farms, bigger farms, are able to produce. So we just do what we can, and I try to take the camera along on some stuff that may interest you all. If it does, leave a comment down below on anything that you like to see, or if you want to see more of it or less of it. I'm always open to a little constructive criticism, but thanks for tuning in, and wherever you are, you may have to batten down the hatches, but be safe, and as always, we'll see y'all next time.